I didn't shave today. I gotta fix that. So Blackboard has a different roster of students in it than Bobcat Web does. So Bobcat Web is what you guys log into to check your grades, check your transcripts, blah, blah, blah. And you guys are in that course. That's how I download my class rosters from Banner. I used to call it Banner, and I call it Bobcat Web. Blackboard has a different bunch of students in it. So when I take a Banner shot of Excel and drop it into my Excel spreadsheet, which is where I mail you your progress reports from. Those progress reports, what they are is it's called a mail merge. You guys ever done a mail merge before? Friggin' rad. You can set up a Word document. Like if you have to send a bunch of letters out that are the same to a bunch of different people, you make a spreadsheet that has people's names in it, and then you put what's called a field in the Word document. And you put send email, and then it just goes, and it puts the name in each document and sends the email off to the email address that's connected to the name. So when I send you a progress report every week, literally I open up this Word document that's got all the quizzes listed, like those quizzes that were listed in the last one I just sent. The ones that are now black are the ones that are I've currently offered. The ones that are grayed out are the ones that haven't been offered yet or won't be offered. And we noticed that we added a few this week. We'll add more next week. Hold that thought for 1 second, Brittany, if you don't mind. I definitely get to you. So anyway, that's how mail merge works. It's one of the coolest tools that word processing allows us to do. And I encourage you, I hope at some point you get to use them, because it saves you the effort of having to type 22 different things out. Works great, until the emails don't match in the same row with the person they're supposed to match with, which happens when Bobcat and Banner aren't the same. Now, how this happens is a mystery to me, because as far as I was told was Blackboard looks at Banner and pulls the students from Banner and puts them in Blackboard. So how many of you guys got the wrong progress report yesterday? I'm guessing it was all of you that had letters at the end of the... Oh, how many of you got the right progress report? You got your progress report and it said your name, hello, you. Okay, it was only a couple of you.
I haven't seen mine yet.
It happened at, Christine, what's your last name again?
Stroop.
It's probably wrong, because you're at the end of the alphabet. You're at the end of the it happened near the end of the alphabet. One of the things was very interesting, somebody changed their last name, but Banner or Blackboard didn't pick it up, and it put you in a different place. So
It was probably me.
but that was only one of the errors. Some people have dropped the course, but they still show in Blackboard. Some people are in Blackboard, or they're in Banner, but they don't show in Blackboard. So I've got now both open up. I ran out of time on the way down here. I got them both open up, and when I asked Christina, not you Christina, but Christine who runs Blackboard, to ask what's going on. Because this, again, it's one of those things that's taken so much time to figure out how to get stuff to you. All I want to do is to get your grades to you. And it's like, oh, I just did it wrong. But I didn't do it wrong. I did it right. The computer did it wrong. So anyway, I apologize for the wrong progress reports. As soon as I get it figured out, you guys that are at the end of the alphabet will get the correct progress reports. I do have some paper stuff to get back to you guys, though. This is the grade quizzes you guys did last week. Let me turn this off right